Yeah. Alright. We're going to just hear Zephyr. Hear Zephyr while she's talking to us, huh? Can you say hi, Zephyr? Hi, yeah. Hey. Hi. Hi. Ah, you're waving hi, huh? Wave hi. Hi. You were so trying to go through that baby gate. No, no, no. That's not where Zephyr goes. Yeah. Show Grandmom and Granddad how you get around, huh? Yeah, come this way. Come this way. Yeah, show them. Show them how you're getting around. Good girl. Come on, Zephyr. Come on, you can do it. You've been doing it. Come on. Show them how you're getting around. Yeah. Show them how you're getting around. Oh, where you going? Down you go. Your magazines you've been taking apart, yes? Oh, look, there you go, to the next one. Yeah, good girl. Getting so talented at this. Yeah. Yeah. Practice makes perfect, huh? Hey, Zephyr, where are you going? Come on. Come on. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Uh-huh. Where's your doggy? Where's your doggy? Where's the doggy, Zephyr? Are you watching Daddy's football game, huh? Yeah, Daddy has a football game on. Where's the doggy? Yeah. Yeah? Can you come get the camera? Come on. Yeah. Oh, look at you go. You like the camera, yes? Where's the doggy? Yeah, dog. Where's the doggy? There's the doggy. You like that corner? What's over there? Oh, the recliner handle. The recliner handle. Hey, Zephyr. Zephyr! We've been recording a few minutes now. Hey, kiddo. Oh, is that where that went, huh? Did you find the bottle of lotion? Is that where it went? Mommy was looking for that. Did you roll it under the chair? No. You rolled it under the chair. All right. Say bye-bye. Can Mama have that? Can Mommy have it? Oh, yes. What a good girl. You're not going to share that much? Share with Mommy. Yeah. You're not going to share with Mommy? Let's share with Mommy. Thank you, baby girl. Good for sharing with Mommy. Yeah. Oh, yes. Now you're not sure about sharing with Mommy, huh? Yeah. Okay, let's say bye-bye, Grandmom and Granddad. Gonna be fussy. Gonna be fussy. Let's say bye-bye. Oh, see you later. See you later. Yes. Yeah, see you later. Bye.